Here are straightforward steps. First, connect your iPhone to your Mac using a USB-C cable. Doesn't matter if it's locked or unlocked. Now, quickly press and release the volume up button. Then, quickly press and release the volume down button. Then, only press and hold the power button until you see the cable with the MacBook icon on the screen. And your Mac Finder will show the recovery screen with the pop-up options Update and Restore. Go with the preferred option. If you want to get unstuck and exit from the recovery screen, first unplug your iPhone from the cable. Then again, quickly press and release the volume up button. Then the volume down button. Then only press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Wait for the lock screen. That's it. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for new free tech guide video updates.